How to use credits on Cnfans. First things first is access your Cnfans application, and if you already downloaded it, you just have to make sure that you're currently running the latest version. Now, after accessing the app, make sure that you're logged into your account, maybe by using your Facebook or your Google Mail. Now, for you to have access on your credits, just head over directly to account at the lower right portion of your screen, and then tap on your current credit. So this is where your specific balance will show. Now, for you to be able to use or redeem your credit on CNFans, you're gonna have to use your browser on the phone. So you just have to use any preferred web browser, and then in here, you just have to type in whole fans. So if you will be able to tap on that, it is currently under on maintenance, but what you will see right here is a tons or kinds of products that you could try to use and redeem codes on Whole Fans. So if you already choose a certain product on Whole Fans, you just have to go back to the Cnfans and just head over to redeem specific product. Now your product code will be visible on whole fans. So after choosing on the specific product, just copy the code and go back to your CN fans for you to use your credit. And that's how you use your credits on CN fans.